Elisa Palomino, and I collaborate with the Smithsonian Arctic Studies Center alongside Bill Fitzu and Stephen Loring, exploring the NMNH Alaska Native fish collections. From the Ainu of Japan to the Hertze of Northeast China, the Inuit of Alaska, and the Nanai of Siberia, indigenous peoples have long transformed fish skin into durable garments, shoes, and containers. This ancestral practice of tanning, dyeing, softening, and stitching skins that would otherwise be discarded offers a powerful model for sustainable design. As a fashion designer, I first worked with fish leather at John Galliano and Christian Dior. Now I am extremely grateful to collaborate with indigenous artists and elders such as June Pardue, Wenfen Yu, and Anatoly Duncan, exploring fish skin as a heritage material and a renewable resource. In the Smithsonian's Futures exhibition, I studied how indigenous knowledge can inform sustainable design. By learning from these traditions, we can challenge extractive models in fashion and reimagine our material relationships, grounded in respect, regeneration, and care.